In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy pre-market on Thinkorswim. We'll be using Thinkorswim Web, and the process is straightforward once you know which order settings matter for extended hours trading. The most important thing to understand is that pre-market orders usually won't work correctly if you leave them as standard market orders. That's why we'll make a few key changes before sending the order. Start by opening Thinkorswim and going to the Trade tab. This is where you can look up the stock you want to buy and create your order. Once you're in the Trade tab, enter the stock symbol you want to purchase. After the quote appears, click the Ask Price. Doing that automatically creates a buy order, which saves time and takes you directly into the order entry area. Next, change the order type to a limit order. In pre-market trading, limit orders are typically required instead of market orders. A limit order lets you set the highest price you're willing to pay, which is especially useful during pre-market hours because prices can move quickly and spreads can be wider than during the regular trading session. In the order entry section, find the order type field, select limit, and then enter the limit price you want to use. After that, you need to enable extended hours trading. This is a critical step because without the correct time in force setting, the order may only be eligible during regular market hours. Look for the TIF or time in force field. Change it from day to an extended hours option such as EXT for extended hours, AM for pre-market only, or GTC XT for a good till cancelled order that also includes extended hours. The exact choices can vary depending on the stock and the version of the platform you're using, but the main idea is the same. Your order needs an extended hours setting in order to execute before the market opens. Before you place the order, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double check the stock symbol, the number of shares, your limit price, and the TAF setting, especially making sure it shows something like EXT or AM if you want pre-market access. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm and Send. Review the order details on the confirmation